inside and out, at Fusion Car Wash. Just sit back and let the Fusion team take care of the rest. Fusion Car Wash, where cars are made new again. On Spectrum Drive in Frederick, behind the Wawa by the FSK Mall. And now open on TJ Drive, too. Imagine the lights of Carnegie Hall, Matthew West on stage, and a full orchestra behind him. You, be there. We're sending one lucky.
What it means to Douglas County, a lower interest rate and reduced fees associated with the bond. That'll save taxpayer money. Douglas County getting ready to finance the portion of the law and justice facility not paid through existing funds.
For more details,
footage, just know what you'll do is there's the memory card on the side. Obviously power off the conger on
that Trump was a perpetrator in sexually assaulting underage girls as part of
what's happening.
Maybe that's all. Trump's officials, Pam Bondi, Kash Patel, etc., are not releasing.
We know you're. Oh my God! Ah! Are you? Okay. What? No, you best not wear.
Oh.
Oh. Or polyvinyl.
This song's just a fucking stupid.
Me siento rico. ¿Cuánto es rico?
¿Te tocó? ¿Te tocó? No.
Sí.
¿Iba dormido? ¿O vos no volanteaste para aquel lado? No, pero te tocó el espejito de él.
¿A dónde te vas a escapar? ¡Frená, culiado! ¡Frená!
¡Eso es Julio! ¿Pero por qué no ves que vengo yo? Pero ¿cómo me voy a chocar? Mirá las que tenés en la mano. Metete.
Oh, what the? The tire rolled off of the truck car. Oh,
Jesus Christ, what the?